Learn about tuples in C#, a convenient way to group multiple values into a single unit. Understand their structure, usage, and practical benefits. This lesson explored tuples in C# and demonstrated how they simplify grouping and returning multiple values in your programs. Creating tuples. Tuples group multiple values of different types. You can declare them using parentheses and access elements without notation or deconstruction. Name tuples. Name tuples improve readability by assigning names to elements. Access elements using these names instead of positional indices. Returning tuples. Tuples are helpful for returning multiple values from a method without creating a custom class or struct. Tuple methods. Tuples support methods like toString to display their contents and comparisons for checking equality. These features make them versatile in various scenarios. Limitations of tuples. While useful, tuples are immutable and best for temporary groupings of values. For complex data, consider using classes or structs. Tuples provide a simple and efficient way to group multiple values, enhancing code readability and reducing the need for complex structures for temporary data.